The unprecedented revolution of the gaming chair. That's right. We are unboxing the Cougar Terminator gaming chair, which has this written right on the box. This thing's pretty nuts. I'm gonna, let's open it up. Oh. Combined with functionality and ergonomics, Cougar Terminator is a unique machine aesthetics gaming chair and excellent ergonomics that gamers and esports players are keen to use. That's nice. Excellent support for natural curve of spine, optimum lumbar support, ventilation backrest, ultra stable, and ultimate durable. This is what I was hoping for. Instructions right on the back. I thought that'd be kind of like dramatic. Piece number 1, aluminum. Got all of your bits, nicely organized, which is good. I always appreciate that. Holy crap, this is hefty. Oh, this chair's for tall people. I'm not the demographic. Pillow, not magnetic. Casters. Uh-oh, broken plastic in there? That doesn't look good. Oh wow, it broke right off. Oh crud. Well, that shouldn't be like that. I'm not sure if this got damaged while shipping or if it was something that happened while we were here, but this side piece completely broke off. I don't think there's anything we can really do about that, so that sucks. Assembly instructions, so we are going to attach the casters to the base of the chair. These casters aren't the nicest things I've ever held in my hand. Good to go. Step 1 complete. Step 2, accessory kits. So it's actually, are these labeled? Or you just kind of gotta guess. So it's not labeled on the plastic, but it is listed out here. So number 1 is the 8 screws. Which are these? Why are they divided? We know what we're doing. We got this. We just did attendance and now everyone's just, they're mingling. I need 4 of these for step 2 because we're gonna put this guy on the base. This guy. Yeah, goes like that. Really wish I had an LTTstore.com screwdriver right now. The instructions have been really clear, but I actually really also appreciate when they write front with an arrow right on the parts that you're trying to install as well. The armrest caught my eye, and the latch to like change the armrest looks so premium and it feels so premium. We are on chaos. Step 3, put the base of the chair onto this part. We can do that. Online, it was like, you might want 2 people on this. It's like, nah, you're good, but everything's fine. That wasn't even that crazy. Easy. Step 4, put the little washer guy into the other guy, and then you screw it into the guy. Goes together, and this big cloth, this big like fabric washer would go against the thing, and then like this guy would stop it. Yeah, that's right. Wait, I pre-install them? Hold on, I'm actually very confused. Yeah, put the back on. Yeah. Okay, I will actually need help for this. My good friend.
Coworker.
Bell, coworker, my good coworker here. Sometimes you have to like bend them a little bit, so we're good here. Yep, that good? Yep. I don't even know how you would do this with one person, so huge pain.
Luckily we're gamers. Gamers have lots of friends.
Yeah, exactly. And one pro tip is do the top screw of both sides, so then you can at least have your helper frick off. Okay, hold up. Ah! No! This is why I should have started with the top one. I'm not even following my own advice anymore.
So
we're good.
Gaming it all recently.
Well, how's your family? One thing when you're screwing these in is that you really don't want to over tighten the bolts. Yeah!
Just reef on it, bud.
Woo! Wow, look at this thing. Terminator ready to terminate. Whoa. Wow. I don't know why. Why do I think the spine looks so cool? Maybe I'm just old and out of touch, where I think this looks kind of sick. Because I think there is one last step here. I'll just attach the pillows. Thanks, instructions. Thanks, Belle. You're the best friend I could have. I need those back. Hold on, I think I have the pillows mixed up. Let's take a look at this, hold on. Yeah, abso-freaking-lutely, baby. This is the head pillow. Oh man, this is cute. Is that actually, and then you just tighten it? Are you serious? Hold on, I need those back again. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this.
Instructions are crazy.
These are nuts, they're big. Okay, guys, I understand. We got it. So you see where the headrest is on the chair? I am not putting it on the right part of the chair. And the reason that there's so much room for you to clip it in is because you need that room, because it goes on the backrest, not on the headrest. This one goes here. Oh, I have a meeting right now. Too bad. That's something. Just like our sponsor, Vessi. That wasn't as good. Damn. Thanks to Vessi for sponsoring today's video. It's summer, but that doesn't mean you need to pack away your Vessis, even though it's stretchy enough to easily do that. With their signature Dymatex technology, Vessi's stylish shoes are lightweight and breathable, letting heat and sweat escape. And with their claim of being 100% waterproof, they're great for walks along the beach. So head on over to vessi.com/ShortCircuit and use code ShortCircuit for 15% off your entire order today. Actually, wait, do I not need these? Are these just extra? There's no shot. Yeah, right? All right. Did I just miss this? You didn't let me know. You watching. You, everybody. Step 5. I didn't put the covers on. It goes on like that. Then we're going to screw it in. Boop. You don't even know it's there. This side's broken, but we're still going to put this on. And then this one, where I was really confused as to what this was, you just put it right in the middle. You just got to terminate it into place. There you go, just like that. And with that, it's time to sit. Finally. Woo! Not much tilt. Do I look imposing? Let's go over a few speeds and feeds for the chair. The first is weight rating. This chair can support up to 297 pounds. You turn the armrests, they go up and down. The armrests are pretty hard. There's a little bit of give, but they're not as flexible as I would personally like. And I'm actually realizing it is summer, and you can actually remove this thing for better airflow. Like I said before, I actually like the look of this. It's not really doing any support for you. I don't really feel my back caving into it. Actually, yeah, that's terrible. If I actually lean back and you try to relax for a second, this gaping hole in my life. Cougar calls this hyper durable leatherette. It's still leatherette. Honestly, the leatherette feels decent enough, but time will tell how durable it actually is. I was talking about how cool the spine looked earlier. It seems like it just looks cool. I don't think it really does anything for your spine that you have in your body. I feel like the base of this chair ends a little prematurely. I slide off this thing. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's the lumbar pillow, which the lumbar pillow, I mean, yeah, it supports my back, but I don't really like it. I'm gonna take it off. Oh, okay, that's better. That solved my problem. My back's still supported, but uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. The chair itself weighs about 80 pounds, so it's not gonna be the easiest to kind of move around. Not the greatest thing for mobility. You're gonna wanna build it and just have it in one spot. I'm gonna test the casters now. Yeah, those are nothing to write home about. The other crazy thing about this chair is that I think it's about $800 US, which is pretty nuts. You might be able to notice this on camera, but I'm only 5'5", 5'6" on a good day. So we're getting somebody tall to experience this chair, and I'd like to introduce you to Hoffman. Hey!
I'm 6 feet every day.
Are you a gamer?
Sure, yes.
Sit in this chair. Tell me what you think of this chair. Honest opinions. Wow, you actually, it's like they built this chair for him. So you gotta be 6 feet tall to be it's perfect.
It's very supportive,
He feels supported.
like my mom.
This chair's going to his workstation, I think.
It looks great for $800. Wow, that is so cool.
Right, okay, yeah, okay, I'm not out of touch. Hoffman's cool, he likes it.
I think it's worth it.
So we got a tall person, now we need a gamer. And for a gamer, we've got David Gauthier here. David, this is the Cougar Terminator. What do you think of the look of it?
It looks cool. It looks like it should have an interface that goes right into your neck.
Let me know what you think of the sitting experience. Yeah, I have thoughts. Hoffman had very positive thoughts. How's your back right now?
My lower back feels pretty secure and supported, but there's definitely whatever is up here is definitely uncomfortable. It kind of presses into the muscle just above the shoulder blade, and it does not feel.
Do you feel the hole? Because I felt the hole. I guess when you're really leaning back,
If I'm leaning back, yes, for
yeah,
sure.
but not
If
otherwise. It's not
I'm
too
in
bad.
gaming stance.
Yeah, it's probably not too bad.
No, it's not great.
Yeah, right?
Not
Okay.
great.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. But you think the spine's cool, right?
I actually think it's pretty.
Yo, that's 3 for 3. I'm cool. Let's go. Since this is a gaming chair, we're gonna game. Come along with me. Ah, it's so bright. Why is this? Woo! Tilt. That's how I like to game. I think a lot of the problems that I'm having is just because I'm 5'5". All of the support of my back is just like in the wrong places. So even this lumbar, like here, is hitting like the top of my back, not my lower back. My lower back is just like feels unsupported. My back is resting in this giant void that is my life here, which sure, maybe it's got good ventilation, but I don't sweat that much when I game. I'm not gaming that hard. I'm not, you know. I love the Cougar gaming sofa, but this chair just isn't for me. Another thing I'm noticing with this chair too is I've got it on the lowest setting and my legs are hitting the base of the chair no matter how, I guess if I turn the legs like this, but I think it's the design, right? This design, because it's so wide, my feet are naturally like, no matter how I sit, unless I sit absolutely perfectly like this, my feet are gonna knock against the base of the chair. One of the reasons I wanted to check out this chair in the first place was the marketing materials, okay? We're gonna look at these things together. I got sent this chair. Right on the product page, you can see the beautiful spine of the chair. I was like, oh, that's interesting design. Then I read, Terminator, Rage Against the Machine. Aggressively assimilating style into functional design, the Terminator redefines the gaming throne. Its unique properties raise the bar for ergonomic support and comfort to unprecedented levels, letting nothing in the way of the full spectrum of gamers, from the hobbyist to the elite, doing what they do best, play. I don't want to harp on this thing too much, but I just had to read that tagline because it was just so epic and over the top. So unfortunately, this chair isn't for me. It's priced around anywhere between $750 US all the way up to, I've seen it as high as $950 US. If you're in that price range shopping for a good gaming chair, I'd recommend something from Secret Lab or Razer, or even an ergo option from somebody like a Steelcase or something like that. Confirmed, this chair is for tall people, and I'm not one of them. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think down below, and we'll catch you on the next chair video.